Hello everyone, welcome back. Welcome back to the Last Pieces channel. I wanted to share something not quite nice with you, but I thought it would be quite interesting as a video because maybe some of you also experienced this. So as you know, I am based in London, UK, and recently we had quite high winds obviously occurring here in the country, and I didn't even realize how bad it was up until I woke up this morning and looked into the garden and saw this. So my little greenhouse, it's like a little pop-up greenhouse anyways, this is all plastic. It wasn't very expensive, it was very reasonable, very cheap. But yeah, it just got blown away in the winds, which I'm not very happy about because obviously I had some of my seedlings in there. There was a lot of mess that I just kept piling up in there. So maybe in a way it's a good thing that this happened, because it will obviously make me re-evaluate how I do my maintenance and store things away. But hey ho. Yeah, so this is what happened. I do have a few trays of seedlings which look quite good still. Some of it obviously will be damaged. I didn't go inside to look at it yet. I wanted to do this video first. So yeah, I will turn you around and show you exactly what happened and what it looks like, and hopefully we'll have some before and after pictures or footage to show you. So yeah, that's what I'm about to do today. Obviously this will keep me busy instead of something else that I was meant to be doing today, but yeah, that's life. Anyways, let me just show you. So this is what the damage looks like. So I had the greenhouse, if I show you, of that little viburnum tree, because it was quite a sheltered area in the garden. When the viburnum is in full leaf, it prevents a lot of the wind, and it was kind of propped up against it, so I thought it would be okay. It was okay last year, and we had quite high winds last year, but obviously it's been through some tough times this year. So it started to yeah, it's tearing up a bit, and there are a bit holes. The zippers weren't zipped up properly, so I suppose that's how the wind got in, and obviously just blown it like this. So yeah, oh, look at this lovely viburnum. Sorry to break up this video, but I think this was worth it. This is Viburnum Botlandus Eve, if anyone wants to know, and it's a perfect winter flowering shrub. Amazing scent that you get during the summer. It's in full leaf, and then it starts flowering quite early. It was flowering already at the end of October, and now throughout the whole winter up until April, we will have these lovely, nicely scented flowers. But yeah, on another note, as you can see, there is a lot of mess. Everything that I had stored away, a lot of plastic, either Tupperware or pots from stuff that I was saving up. Obviously, a lot of mess. So yeah, that's what it looks like, and hopefully I will show you soon what it looks like after I've been through and got rid of some stuff. But and I tried to pop it up, but I wanted to show you, yeah, I have a few seedlings there and there, and as you could see in my previous videos, these crates that are underneath, I don't know if you can see very well, these crates, I've put my bulbs in there, and there are also some anemones. But yeah, anyways, let's do some work. So I'm back here, and the greenhouse is standing again, as you can see behind me. I did prompt it at the very base, so if I show you, I put the base, I kind of prompted it with a metal nails, moved everything back in, whatever can be salvaged hopefully will be, but I have decided I'm only gonna have it here up until it kind of blows away again. If it does, it does. If not, great. But I will get myself a new one, obviously that won't have any holes in, and that will be more sturdy, but that might not be up until possibly next spring, so I don't just waste money, and plus it's cold. No one wants to be putting up a greenhouse in this lovely cold weather. But yeah, in the meantime, if the wind comes again and if it blows away, I might just take it all down and put it into rubbish and just use my plastic boxes in the meantime for the tender seedlings that I have in there. Yeah, so that's it. I also moved I moved there, you can see it. I moved the lemon tree in there as well, because that needs to be protected, and I was being quite negligent and didn't put it in there whilst it was still relatively warm, and then suddenly we had a little frost and I completely forgot about it, but yeah, it's nice and safe in there now. Yeah, so that's about it. Thank you very much for watching. I hope I didn't bore you to death. These things happen in the garden, so I just wanted to be real with you and wanted to show you what happened to me. And if you have similar experiences, or if you know how to deal with this better, then please let me know down in the comments on my social media, either on Instagram or Facebook. And yeah, be well, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!